Hi, hello everyone. I am Fukadu. I'm gonna teach you online teaching methods. This is actually our sixth lesson. If you remember, in our previous several lessons, 5 lessons, we tried to see different issues in online teaching methodologies. We have tried to cover what it means by online learning, the history of online learning, learning management system, and Moodle as well. And also we have tried to see instructional design and how and what we need to design instructions or online digital contents. And today that is extension of this course and which emphasizes on Moodle. And we'll try to explore what Moodle contains and how we use and what functions Moodle can give us and exactly what can we do or how should we do will be answered in this lesson. Our topic is exploring Moodle. Do you remember what Moodle was? Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. It was an acronym. It's also at the same time the company name which provides the Moodle learning management system for free. That's an open source. I like that. So the Moodle portal has different features and we'll try to summarize in terms of blocks. So first, let us see the navigation block. The navigation block is the first interface that we see after we sign into our Moodle account or our university online classroom account. This picture is screenshot from Paradigm University Classroom. So the Moodle site of Paradigm University is called Classroom. So now and afterward, when I would like to refer to Moodle in Paradigm University context, I will use Classroom. When I say Classroom, I mean it is the Moodle Classroom, the Moodle Learning Management Portal, the LMS or Learning Management System. It is what we call it Classroom. Every company, every university, every institution call it in a different way. So we call it Classroom. So let us go to the actual classroom and see and explore what we have and what it looks like. So this is the actual classroom. If you'd like to access the classroom, this is the website. Or if you want to see by signing in from the university website, you have to write Paradigm University and then hit click. When Paradigm University official website is opened, you will go to academics, and under academics we have classroom, so you can click classroom. The other option is you can go down to the footer menu, and under the footer menu we have online classroom. So you can either click here this one or click the other one, which is the header menu. That's the main menu. So let's start with the main menu and click classroom. It will directly take us to the Paradigm University classroom or Moodle site. Okay, once we get here, this is the window of the classroom, and there is always a list of courses, available courses, the courses with the professor's name. And you can take any one of these courses as long as you are assigned or you are enrolled to take the courses. We have color coded different departments. For example, management courses are coded as blue and accounting courses as purple, and we have anthropology green, the lemon green, and we have the red one, which is English language, and we have the yellow one is educational leadership, and so on and so forth. So simply because you have access to classroom list of courses doesn't necessarily mean that you can get the courses. If you click it here, so it shows you in two parts. That's the home page and the course description page. But still, let's say we want to access one of the courses, strategic decision or operation management. If I would like to have this course, I would click it. But it will not show me the course unless otherwise I put my information. Remember, we have said Moodle or learning management system has a personalized access. No one student can access another student's account. So every student's account and every teacher's account is unique by itself. So I have already saved my username and password, so let me directly sign in. When I sign into my account, the first window I will see is called a dashboard. Sometimes you have this whole page in one. Some other time you probably get into columns. If you don't see the column, just click here. When you click here, you'll find the column. This column is called course navigation block. But remember what it says. It says operation management. Let me sign out and log in again. If you click operation management or any one of the courses and put your username and password, it directly takes you to the course you clicked. But if you don't want to click any of the courses, but instead if you just want to sign into your account and see your dashboard, you have to click it here. So let me log in. Same username and password, and let me log in. Now this is the default window for all students and for all users at Paradigm University. So as soon as you log in, you'll see your photograph here and your name here, and also here's the dashboard. This is block. This block is called a dashboard block, or it's called a navigation block. A navigation block is a block which help us to navigate through all the classroom portals. It shows us everything we have, and it will give us access to do different activities from here. So the dashboard is the first window you access every time you sign in. And then you have a site home, you have calendar, you have private files, you have content bank, and so on and so forth. Depending on your privilege, you will have different kinds of modules or menus you will see here. Okay, let's assume that you have inserted your username and password and you land up to the dashboard. What's next? The next thing is you will select the courses which you like either to edit or to learn from. The simplest formula is in your dashboard menu, you will find My Courses list. Under My Courses, you will find one or more courses. For example, in my case, I have My Courses and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I have around 9 courses. I am registered for 9 courses. This is what it means. But in your context, you may not find 9 courses. You probably get 1 or 2 or 3 courses, not more than that. No one is allowed to take more than 3 courses at a time per semester, because one course in Paradigm context is a 3 credit hour course. Most of them, there are some 4 or some 2 credit hours, but most of them are 3 credit hours, and those courses will be completed in a given term. that is around 3 months or 8 consecutive classroom weeks, contact weeks. So you usually find 2 or 3 courses only. From the courses, let's say we would like to get or to log into online matters, which is the course which I am teaching right now. You have 2 options to get to the course. Either find my courses and click the course, or the other option, you will usually find the pictures and the course names here, all the courses. I have found it here, Online Teaching Methods, Onboarding 1001. Now this is a course, so I will click it here. This will directly take me to my course. Now I am just in my course. I'll find different activities and different resources across the dates. So remember, when we click in at the beginning, when we sign into our Moodle portal, our classroom portal, we landed on dashboard. But now this one is different. It is called course navigation menu. The first one is dashboard or simply navigation menu. This one is course navigation menu. Why we call it course navigation? Because it begins with the course name and it shows everything about the course. Let me go back to the first one. You see, it says dashboard. It shows us the major menus. But now, after I click my course, this dashboard will be turned to the course name. That's why we call it a course navigation block. Now, this is the course navigation block. So when you do with your courses, you can find different things in your course navigation menu. By default, it shows you your courses, the actual courses. And then you can either download your courses or start learning directly from your courses. If, for example, I want to learn or to open up the video lecture, I will play it and it starts and start learning. So this is how you can learn. Okay. If you finish this one, or if you like to go to the other activity, just go back to online methods and then it takes you back. If you want to download your textbook, you have found this green thing is called book. So you click it here and then you'll find entire courses. Either you can learn it or you can download it. Can you see reference materials to download is a third lesson. And this folder holds all the reference materials, the textbooks or any other resources which are associated with your course. If you want to access it, just click it here and download the folder. It downloads every courses or every document which is embedded in the folder. So you'll find it in a zip zip file, and you can unzip it and use it. So let me go back to another one. Also, you can start lessons by clicking here, or if you have workshop, you click here and find everything. So you will explore it later on when you have plenty of time. Now let me rush. The other one is a participant. Under the course block, you'll get participants. If you are a teacher or instructor, when you click it, you will find a list of your students. You see, we have, if you want to expand it, click it here, will be expanded. So you will find all names of students who are registered to take the course. This is one. If you have another list, yes, click it here and you'll find the entire list. Or if you want to add some more students, you can click enroll and add the student. But in university context, students should be added or enrolled by the registrar. It's not the job of the instructor to add students. But in some cases, the teacher, if the teacher has privileged or permitted to add the course, then it is a way we will add our students. From this, we can also get badges. Badges are rewards which are designed for students to be awarded at different levels of the course. So if you have a badge, you can find it here, or if you would like to add some new badge, you can add new badge. If it's already established badge, you can use the badge. And the other one is competencies. Competencies, in our context, we are not using competencies based lessons. Our lessons are not competency based, but there are some courses which demand a competency based, especially skill courses should be designed in terms of competency based. So in that case, you will use these competencies. And the other one is grade. You can access the grades of all of your students from here by clicking grade. So when you click grade, you will find every single student. It says all participants. I have 36 students now for this course registered, and I can see the grades of all 36 students. So let me expand it. Okay. Okay, my screen is a little bit smaller, but I can scroll it here. You see? So for every single course, every single activity, you will find the grades displayed here. Let's say, okay, let's say Brahanu is one of our students, my student here. So if I would like to check Brahanu's grade, I will start from here. Online teaching method, that's the course name. So if the video lesson has some grade, I'll find it here. Book review assignment. When he did his assignment, if it's automatically or manually scored, will be here. And weekly test, another here. The workshop grade here. Lesson 1, lesson 3, every activity which is included in our lesson will be graded here, and you'll find the total result here, including letter grade with A, B, C, D, whatever. So this is very interesting. The course navigation menu provides us with plenty of options. So this is some of the most important things that we need to understand. If you want to edit any of the contents, first you have to click here, customize this page. When you click it here, it gives you option to modify. This little things means that there is a setting here. Click the key next to it, and if you would like to do anything, just do anything. You want to delete it, delete the activity. Or check permission who is allowed or who is not allowed, you can do here. Or if you would like to change any of this, let me go to the actual course. I'll go to the course right now, and now it means they are movable. You can exchange. For example, if you would like to bring announcement next to reference material, just click and drag and drop here. Would be the last. If you want to make it second, you can here, or whatever. It's very convenient. It's not sophisticated. You don't have to have a special knowledge or training to edit your course. As long as you have seen it one day or a couple of days and practice it, everything is simple. So if you would like to edit your lessons, just click with edit and then edit setting, boom, it opens. So you can change anything. If you would like to change any text here, text, or if you have different settings, appearances, you need progress bar, yes or no. So just everything is drag and drop. You don't have to code anything. You simply put whatever you want to put. If you would like to add video, you can just click it here insert or edit video file, just click it and you will search it. Browse from repository and then choose file. So if you have any video files on your desktop or wherever you put, you can find it. Now this is download. Let me go to desktop. Here you go. On desktop file, I have few videos. So let me see. For example, I would like to upload lecture video for. I will click here. When it comes here, just open. And now you can just upload. If you would like to, you can write a different name, or if you just want to save it as it is, go and upload this file. Now it asks you to write the name of the file. If you don't want to do the name of the file, the system automatically takes the file which is already included there, or the file name which the file has been saved earlier. So to save time, let me cancel it, but this is how you do it. Okay, I think this is the most important elements of Moodle. So to summarize what we have seen earlier, if you want to sign in to by the way, if you want to change your profiles, or if you want to change your name or photographs and everything, here is. You have every detail here. You can change, or you can upload your photograph or change it, and so forth. So to summarize, when you want to access your Moodle, the first thing you should do is go to the website of Paradigm University, go to the classroom, and click login. After you click login, it asks username and password. Put username and password, go to and login. After you login, the first window you'll get is dashboard. In the dashboard, you can have major menu. You can go wherever you want to go. And if you want to go to the specific course, select one of the specific courses you have and click that course, and then it takes you to the course details. If you want to edit any of the courses, click edit on and you will edit it. That's all. So this is a navigation block, and the purpose of navigation block is the one we have already discussed, and you can have different sections of the navigation block, including the dashboard, the site home, the private files area, my courses. This is all the things we have already discussed so far. And we have parts of the course block, and we'll see the different parts of the course block in details in our next lesson. Now this is all about in this lesson. Next time we will continue and learn about the different activities and resources we'll find in our Moodle or Paradigm University Classroom portal. I think this is the end of our today's lesson. If you have questions or comments as usual, just email it to me, or you can bring them to our forum discussion. Thank you very much.